if you saw my last video, you would know that I went shopping. I got some vintage pieces and some newer pieces, so I figured I'd come on here and show you guys what I got. So first, hang on, my lips are dry as hell. Okay, we are back and moisturized. First I got these shoes from H&M. They were really cheap. They didn't come like this. They came like plain without all the little pearls on it, and it didn't have the tool coming out. That's kind of like a DIY I did because the shoes were so cheap. They were $12.99, and these were really simple to make. I basically got a piece of tulle from the clearance section, cut it into 4 pieces the long way, and then I sewed 2 pieces each underneath here on each shoe. And then the shoes have a hook in the back, so I could loop them through here, which will make them stay down and then come up. And then I just glued on the pearls with some Gorilla Glue. I got a pack of like a mixed size so that I could use like really big pearls down the middle, medium pearls for the X, and then small pearls going down the side. I just love these. Go get a pair, sis. The next thing I got is this skirt from Urban Outfitters. I believe it was on sale for like $10, but it's just this really cute tennis skirt that's got stains at the bottom because I already wore it. My bad. Just ignore that. But there's white little lines, which I thought was really cute. And it's not a skirt, but it opens like this, and then the side opens, which I guess is cool if you need space for activities, but I kind of expected the skirt to go all the way around, so I'm a full coverage kind of girl. This is the tennis skirt from Urban, and it fits really well. It is a little bit see-through at the back. I don't think that'll be a problem. It's just a little, if someone's looking really, really close, they might see a little bit of lines. But other than that, I really like this skirt and it fits really well. I've already worn it, so it's great. Oh, and I should probably show you. This is like when you open up the skirt, when you lift up this part, this is like just a flap. So that's what I meant when I said it doesn't go all the way around. It's just one flap on top of another. Okay, so remember how earlier I said that skirt was like $10? I lied. I just found the tag. It was $29.99. The next item is boots. This is my favorite, or one of my favorites actually. So I got this top from Zara, and it's a one-shoulder ruche top. And I actually got it in a large because it ran small, and also the small was kind of like digging into my side and giving me this, like, you know the little arm fat you get right here, you know right here when something's too tight. It was giving me that, but I'm usually a small in Zara, so I just got the large, and actually this was the only one left. But I tried it on in a different Zara and they only had the small, and this one only had the large. So I was like, I really want it. I'm just gonna try it on, see what happens. I tried it on and it fits really nice. Oh, I forgot to mention the price. It was $39.90. Okay, after like a million years trying to get the zipper done up at the side by myself, like,
why would you put a zipper on the side? Why? We're independent women, but you want to give a zipper that a two-person job?
Anyway, this is what the shirt looks like. It was worth it. And I really like that I got the large because there's no bibs. I mean there is this, but you know, in the small it was like so tight that it was making it, you know, come down. It's like a armpit muffin top. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Anyway, the shirt is really cute. I didn't even fix it up because I was so tired from zipping up that zipper. I love the oversized bow, and it seems like it's a lot, but since it's only on one shoulder, I feel like it's balanced. The next piece that I have is the thing that's actually $10 and from Urban. So I got these pants. They were in the sale rack, and they're like blue camo pants, and they have these really cute buckles, not fasteners, but they like help cinch the waist in. No, snatched. And yeah, this one was actually $9.99, so that was a steal. The only thing is that I've seen these pants before when they weren't on sale, because they've been in the store for a while. And I know that they came with a belt, and unfortunately this one didn't come with a belt, but that's okay because I think I have the right belt for it. So this is what the pants look like. They're a size large, so they're a little big around the waist, but I tightened them with the little ties that they came with, but they keep coming undone. So I'm definitely gonna have to use that belt I was talking about. I'm 5'10", and every single pant I wear is high water. So I guess I could cuff these up. I mean, for $10, they were worth it. So I put on the belt because I couldn't really show you how high the pants were coming. This is the belt I was talking about. This is the one I would definitely wear and am definitely gonna wear with these pants. And then last but not least, I have this gorgeous purple kimono-like jacket. It's very sheer, so you definitely have to wear something underneath. But I thought it was really cute when I saw it. I have no idea how old it is. And I got this from the vintage store, the English Market, which is in my last video. This is what the kimono looks like. I love it. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see in my mirror. And when I saw this, I at first was like, oh, this instantly is gonna look so good with a black dress because black goes with everything. But I put on a black dress, I wasn't really feeling it, and then I remembered I had this pink dress that like matches almost perfectly with this lining. I don't know if this is meant to be out or if this is meant to be like tucked in, because there is a snap at the back that suggests I should like fold this in like this, but I don't know, the pink is cute. Remember like 90s R&B groups, they would always do a move where they, you know, flick the back of their jacket. I think my favorite piece was probably, it's a tie between the purple jacket and the one shoulder ruched blouse, but let me know what you guys think. Say bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie.